So you're intentionally hanging on to that rage and that anger of the past as an excuse to drink yourself into oblivion. You believe that if you let that rage go, that you'll have no purpose. What's the point of living if you have nothing to fight for? Who are you without the pain? Everything you've ever done has been fueled by the deep hatred of that circumstance. You go to the gym and you lift because you're pissed. You go to work and get everything done out of spite for your past. You succeed in all aspects of your life because you actually hate who you've become. That rage is the emotional fuel source that you've associated with success. If you're no longer angry, then who are you really? We don't change the past with hate. We change our future with love. If being hard on yourself worked, it would have worked already. You're allowed to scream without punishing yourself with a poison. You're allowed to throw a fit without self-sabotaging. That rage and resentment is literally rotting your body from the inside out. When you're yelling at the ghosts of your past, where are you? You're right here. When you've reached the bottom of the bottle because you've been thinking about your future, you are right here. Once you accept the fact that that pain of the past has forged an unstoppable force to be reckoned with, you will finally let go of all hope for a better past and build an unfuckwittable foundation for an everlasting future.